According to our Chiliz Cost Expectation 2023, the token is supposed to have a greatest cost of $1.05 with a base cost of 10 cents. Chiliz is supposed to arrive at the most extreme value level of 42 cents as per our CHZ Cost Forecast 2025. Based on our Chiliz Coin Cost Expectation 2030, the normal cost of CHZ coin may be around 89 cents toward the finish of 2030. As of now, the Chiliz coin cost is exchanging around 10 cents, which is practically 4.6% down from the last week and 1% down from most recent 24 hours. Notwithstanding the negative feeling, Chiliz crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above 9 cents starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Chiliz coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Chiliz estimate, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is Chiliz worth purchasing? Might Chiliz at any point reach $10? Before we start with nitty-gritty Chiliz cost forecast, how about we jump into the coin's specialized investigation? Chiliz specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the most exorbitant cost acceleration to $0. However, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz coin cost spike that occurred in 2020 is associated to the declaration made by the Chiliz undertaking to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. Notwithstanding, the presentation of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 5 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of WAC 2021, the cost of Chiliz has reflected colossal development, denoting another unsurpassed high at the 89 cents mark. Nonetheless, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight remedy. However, later, in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged a reach somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 9 cents with a negative strain. Notwithstanding, in the wake of hitting 10 cents the last December, Chiliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and as of now, it exchanges around 11 cents. From the very outset of 2023, Chiliz coin cost has figured out how to remain above 9 cents. Right now, it confronted areas of strength for an of 9 cents, while a solid obstruction of 11 cents. We demand you do your own exploration proposing projected most extreme cost, theorized value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. Chiliz Value Expectation 2023 to 2030 CHZ will be the market pick and decision of gaming financial backers, particularly on the grounds that it has gone the distance. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this money. The pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Defeating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is set to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent insight about computerized coins. At the hour of composing this specialized investigation and Chiliz crypto cost forecast, the cost of the CHZ token was 10 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of CHZ is $26,652,997 and the market cap of Chiliz was $703,195,308 with a coursing supply of 7,647,158 CHZ. CHZ coin cost expectation recommends that Chiliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chiliz has not soared on the trade, ascending to brilliance. One conspicuous reality that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is digging in for the long haul, increment, and fill in the market in full sprout according to our Chiliz cost expectation. To become more about long-haul digital currency gauges, Chiliz Value Expectation 2023 as of late. Chiliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As indicated by our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 10 cents. Furthermore, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chiliz Crypto Value Expectation 2024 CHZ forecast for 2024 predicts that the most extreme cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents, individually. The most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in light of our Chiliz crypto cost forecast. Chiliz value expectation 2025 as per CHZ cost forecast 2025. In a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to quit slacking with other digital currencies to plainly show up at any rate cost of 29 cents and a most extreme cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ estimate depicts a stunning positive thinking anticipated for the CHZ cost, for the most part because of its reliable exhibition throughout the long term. Chiliz coin value expectation 2026 violating all impediments more than 2026 would doubtlessly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz forecast, upheld by hearty shrewd agreements, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents individually. Chiliz expectation 2027 the street ahead is loaded with pedals according to the CHZ cost estimate. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling point of the most extreme cost of 62 cents. In examination, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents. Separately, CHZ value expectation 2028 of every 2028. The CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation demonstrates that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz conjecture 2029 thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to confirm areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may effortlessly cross a greatest cost of 82 cents, as indicated by our CHZ coin cost expectation 2029. Chiliz value expectation 2030 in view of our CHZ cost forecast 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a likely low of 73 cents and a possible high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost vacillations in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unstable or have high gamble. According to the Chiliz value forecast and specialized examination, in 2023 the cost of Chiliz is supposed to reach at least value worth of 13 cents. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 14 cents with the typical worth of 13 cents. The future cost of Chiliz coin is anticipated at 39 cents following a year as per our CHZ coin cost forecast. According to the Chiliz gauge, the cost of CHZ is supposed to cross the degree of 17 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is supposed to arrive at the very least expense of 8 cents. Furthermore, the CHZ cost is equipped for getting a most extreme degree of 21 cents. A drawn-out increment isn't normal in light of wallet financial backer Chiliz gauge. The CHZ cost expectation during the current year is $0. CHZ can be a high-risk one-year speculation choice as your ongoing venture might be downgraded from here on out. Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information unfolds on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case,